Welcome back to Gear Auto TV, the place where power, design, tech, plus raw machine emotion meet in long-form deep dives. Today's spotlight falls on a machine that blurs every border between motorcycle freedom, roadster personality, plus modern recreational engineering. This is the 2026 Can-Am Ryker, a bold evolution of the three-wheel platform that has already built a loyal following worldwide. The newest model arrives with sharper design cues, a revised chassis feel, a more refined ride experience, plus technology previously missing from the Ryker's lean, stripped-back nature. Let's roll through every corner of this machine, feature by feature, before diving into the metal, plastic, rubber, plus digital upgrades. Picture the Ryker for what it truly represents. A gateway to open-air mobility for riders who crave stability without sacrificing thrill. The 2026 generation raises that vision with higher precision. Power delivery feels more mature. Handling receives subtle tweaks. Comfort grows across every surface the rider touches. Cosmetic details achieve a more aggressive tone without drifting away from the signature Ryker personality. Strap in as we dissect every millimeter of this machine, starting with its exterior presence. The front fascia of the 2026 Ryker hits the road with a deeper visual signature. The lighting cluster now includes a redesigned LED array with crisper edges plus a slightly wider spread pattern for night riding. Illumination sits inside a sculpted housing that mounts neatly into the upper cowl, giving the machine a futuristic close-slung nose. Air channels cut through the center with purpose, guiding flow toward the radiator plus reducing turbulence at higher speeds. A subtle ridge across the front fender line emphasizes width without exaggeration. The stance communicates confidence, strength, plus immediate readiness to launch. A new textured finish appears across the plastic panels that surround the LED strip. This surface hides small road debris marks more effectively while contributing to a premium appearance. In motion, light plays off these panels in a way that adds depth to the front profile. Shift to the side profile, where the Ryker truly showcases its muscular nature. The 2026 model gains subtly extended side fairings with improved wind guidance for legs plus knees. Lines flow forward to back with a continuous sweep, giving the vehicle a unified silhouette. The exposed frame portions feature updated powder coating for improved corrosion resistance, visible through sharp open sections that highlight the mechanical heart inside. Lower portions feature redesigned wheel arms with a cleaner, more geometric shape. This reduces visual clutter plus mirrors performance cues from higher-tier Can-Am performance models. The wheel design introduces a new multi-spoke pattern, lighter in weight yet stronger in rigidity. Tires maintain the wide front contact patch typical of three-wheel layouts but incorporates revised rubber compound meant to improve grip during rapid directional inputs. A new accent stripe along the side panels, available in multiple color packages, gives each configuration its own personality. Riders can pick bright neon tones, muted metallic choices, or bold dual-tone schemes. The back end of the 2026 Ryker pushes its update further. A new LED taillight with a sharp blade-like outline forms the centerpiece of the rear profile. This piece stretches across most of the width, giving a modern futuristic glow. Turn signals sit tucked beneath the primary strip, protected from minor impacts yet fully visible from distance. The exhaust outlet receives a revised placement. It now sits slightly higher, contributing to ground clearance during sharp cornering plus producing a more robust visual stance. The rear fender gains a slightly larger overhang to protect the rider from water spray during wet rides. Storage mounting points hide within the design in a cleaner manner, enabling accessory bags or top cases without disrupting the sculpted shape. Everything flows with intention, compact proportions, bold geometry, crisp lighting. Interior step inside. Though a vehicle like the Ryker lacks a traditional interior, the rider environment has seen substantial improvement. The 2026 Cockpit receives a new digital display with richer contrast, faster refresh rate, plus improved sunlight readability. Information includes speed, engine temperature, fuel levels, distance, gear indicator for CVT modes, trip logs, plus optional navigation with smartphone pairing. Handlebar ergonomics shift slightly. Grips sit with a mildly adjusted angle to reduce wrist fatigue during longer sessions. Controls now feature tactile textures for easier operation while wearing gloves. Feedback from riders pushed designers to reshape the brake lever feel, resulting in smoother modulation. Seat cushioning enters a new generation of foam layering. Pressure distribution improves, especially for riders using the Ryker for commuting or extended touring. Optional comfort seats amplify this further with higher density materials plus more pronounced lumbar shaping. Foot peg positions remain adjustable, enabling riders to tailor fit to personal size or posture preference. This adjustability remains one of the Ryker's strongest ergonomic advantages. Small storage pockets near the rider's knees receive improved sealing for better protection of personal items. A USB-C port sits within reach for device charging, supporting fast charge protocols. Performance under the hood remains one of the reasons the Ryker lineup continues to attract newcomers plus seasoned riders. The 2026 Ryker offers its familiar engine options, refined with better thermal management, updated fuel mapping, plus reduced vibration during initial takeoff. The base version features a lively Rotax 600 ACE engine. Horsepower output remains similar to previous years, yet throttle response now feels more progressive. Mid-range torque arrives sooner, producing stronger acceleration in urban traffic or when powering out of curves. The upgraded Rotax 900 ACE model benefits from a more efficient burn cycle. Engineers reworked intake runner geometry to enhance airflow. The result delivers quicker roll-on acceleration plus improved high-speed stability. Vibration levels drop through a revised triple mount system fixed to the frame. The CVT system receives software recalibration for smarter ratio transitions. The new tune reduces belt slipping sensation plus smooths power flow across the speed range. Riders notice more confidence during launches, especially on uneven surfaces. Suspension tweaks define another performance gain. The 2026 model features coilover units with new internal valving. This update reduces harshness over potholes plus gives more controlled responses during rapid directional changes. Anti-roll characteristics tighten slightly to sharpen steering feedback. Steering precision also benefits from a revised power assist algorithm. Assistance remains light at low speeds but transitions into a firmer, more responsive feel at higher velocity. Braking improves through higher performance pads plus a recalibrated electronic stability program. Stopping distances shorten in both dry plus wet conditions. Overall ride character feels more mature. The vehicle remains playful but now expresses a sense of grown capability. The 2026 Can-Am Ryker positions itself competitively in the recreational three-wheel category. Base pricing for the Rotax 600 ACE variant begins in the mid-$10,000 range, rising slightly due to the technology upgrades. The 900 ACE model falls several thousand higher, reflecting its stronger power output, improved thermal components, plus expanded feature set. Accessory bundles create pathways for personalization. Sport packages include bolder body panel colors, upgraded wheels, plus performance-oriented suspension pieces. Touring packages deliver taller wind protection, extra luggage options, plus enhanced comfort features. Each combination pushes cost into the higher teens or low 20s, depending on configuration. Despite the price climb, value remains strong due to reliability, reputation, low-maintenance structure, plus long-lasting Rotax component design. This concludes the in-depth review of the 2026 Can-Am Ryker. The newest generation strengthens nearly every point of the machine while keeping the raw, minimalist spirit that draws so many riders to this platform. Sleek visuals, smarter electronics, refined ride quality, plus better performance tuning elevate this machine to one of the most enticing three-wheel choices of the coming year. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that subscribe button for more detailed reviews from Gear Auto TV. Every week, we explore machines that reshape pavement culture. Drop your questions about the Ryker in the comments, share your riding experiences, plus tell us what vehicle you want covered next. Until the next ride, stay safe, stay curious, keep chasing the road.